welcome to Ikasan Online Tutorials. My name is Michael Stewart and I'm a core developer on the Ikasan Enterprise Integration Platform and the Ikasan Enterprise Scheduler Platform. And today we're going to be having a quick look at the Audit tab of the Job Plan instance screen. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate over to the Scheduler part of the application. We've got a menu bar down the side here, so Scheduler 1 is there, it looks like a clock. And we're going to navigate over to our running job plan instance. You can see here we've got a series of tabs, and on the right hand most side we've got our Audit tab. So at the moment, because there's nothing happened in this job plan instance, there's no records there for me to have a look at. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to execute some jobs in this particular job plan. So let's go in and let's see if we can find. So let's kick off this time-based job here. You can see there now that the plan starts to run. So there must be some jobs running down here. There we go. We can see jobs are executing. And we got a bunch that are complete. So they're doing their thing now. So let's go back over to the Audit tab and see what we got. I'll refresh that there now. You can see a series of events have been created. And this list is presented in reverse chronological order, although I can sort and I can filter on any of these events that I like. And let's have a look. So the first event that I've executed was this particular time-based event, which is I manually run the 6:01 AM event. So you can see there, this gives me a view on what the event that was created by the agent and sent to the dashboard in order to tell the underlying context machine that a particular event or time-based event had occurred. So the context machine has gone ahead and processed that event. And on the back of that event being created, that event being executed, you can see here that it's raised two events. So these are two job initiation events. So that's effectively the dashboard instructing the agent that it can go ahead and execute this particular job. So you can see there we've got that job and we've also got this job. So those two jobs have been instructed to run on the agent. So you can see there that the agent, we get a couple of messages back from the agent to say that those jobs have started. And then when they're completed, you can see that they've both been responsible for some other jobs starting. And you can start to see that, you know, the further we go down through this tree, or this particular list view, you can see that, you know, there's events that are received by the dashboard that are the catalyst for other events being created and sent to the agent and told to run. So this gives us a full view of all of the event interaction between the dashboard and the relevant agents within this particular job plan instance. So what this might be useful for? Well, we're going to be supporting these job plans, and this gives us a full audit trail of all of the interactions between the agents and the dashboard. Moreover, these records are captured and held in the underlying data store for a configurable period of time, which means that we have a full retrospective view on the audit data associated with job plan instances that may have occurred, I don't know, 2 or 3 months ago. So we can always go back and we can look and we can start to do some comparisons between previous executions of job plan instances, and we may be able to use those comparisons to help us to remediate any issues that might occur moving forward. So I think this is a valuable tool to help us support this application and get full visibility on the life cycle of the events between the agents and the dashboard. So hopefully that's been a useful piece of information that I've shared. Thank you very much for your time today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.